Albert customer support wait times can change depending on the issue, the support channel you use, and how many requests the team is handling at that moment. By the end, you'll know the ways to contact Albert support, what information to prepare before reaching out, and how to avoid delays when you need help. If you need help with the Albert app, start by checking the support options available inside the app. The in-app help area is usually the first place to look, because it connects your request with your account details. Section 1. How Albert customer support works. When you contact Albert, the support team needs enough information to identify your account and understand the problem. A message that only says, "My app is not working," can require more back and forth because the team has to ask for more details. Before contacting support, prepare the email address or account information connected to your Albert account, a clear description of the issue, and any relevant screenshots. This gives the support team the details needed to review the problem faster. Section 2. What affects your wait time? There is no single guaranteed response time because support availability can change. Simple questions may be easier to resolve than account-specific issues that require additional review. Issues involving account access, payments, transfers, or subscription questions may require more verification. That means the response process can take longer than a general question about using the app. The best step is to explain exactly what happened, when it happened, and what you already tried. A complete message helps reduce unnecessary follow-up questions. Section 3. Steps to get help faster. First, update the Albert app if you are having technical problems, because app updates can include fixes and improvements. Second, check whether the issue is already covered in Albert's help resources before contacting support. You may find a solution without waiting for a reply. Third, keep your support conversation organized. Reply with requested information as soon as possible so the support team can continue reviewing your case. The main points are simple. Albert response times can vary. Complete account details help support understand your issue faster, and checking available help resources can save time. Your next step is to open the Albert app, review the support options, and prepare the details of your issue before sending a request. If this guide helped you understand what to expect from Albert customer service, like the video and subscribe for more app support guides.